In the last video, we have seen how rigid body component works. In this video, we will see how to move a player using character controller. Character controller is a bit different from rigid body. It mainly does movement and collision. I have a simple scene here. I have changed the player from a simple cube to a dog character. If you see it, I made this dog character just by using capsules and resizing them for different body part. Now, I will attach the character controller component and mover script to the player game object. In character controller, slope limit to what degree player can climb the slope. Step offset for stair step height. Center for adjust the collider. Radius for collider radius. Height for collider height. Inside the mover script, I have created variables for player movement, gravity, and character controller. Inside the start function, I get character controller component and assign it to the character controller variable. Inside the update function, I have stored horizontal and vertical inputs. Then I stored both input inside the move direction. If the move direction magnitude is greater than or equal to 0.1, then I have rotated the player in the move direction. I have used the character controller.move to move the player. At last, I have added the gravity to the player and call addGravity function from the update function. Now you can see that the player moves smoothly and the player faces the direction in which he is moving. Whenever the player climbs a slope or stairs, nicely fall down due to gravity. For more basic Unity videos, please subscribe, and if you like this video, then press the like button. Thank you.